What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna make some mango ice cream rolls. Let's see how they turn out. Let's get it. Sweetened condensed milk and cream. I had to take some out of that. It's either I put too much or too little. If you guys are ever wondering where I get this machine from, I got it off of Amazon. It's called a TFCFL. Works pretty good except for the corners. Doesn't seem to, takes a little bit of time for it to freeze over there. Let's give it a try and see if we can get these guys to roll. Whipped cream. A bit of sprinkles. I guess these are called Galaxy sprinkles, so let's see how they look. They look alright, I guess. Alright, let's go ahead and give these a try, guys. That's alright. You can taste the mango in it. It's not bad at all, though. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And you guys have a great one today.